So I'm just gonna do a little video. This is how I protect my crops, specifically potatoes, during winter with the use of frost covers. So potatoes are sensitive to frost. They can handle light frost, but they have to be mature. These potatoes are still young, so light frost can actually damage them. You can see they're growing nicely and we want to protect them. But yeah, this is how I'm able to grow potatoes during winter. As long as the frost isn't too hard and I'm able to cover them up, you can continue to grow your potatoes throughout winter. So if you do happen to have light frost in your area, or even heavy frost, just use some frost covers. Heavy frost, you want to probably double the layer. So when you're scheduled to have frost at night, what you want to do is apply the frost covers just as the sun goes down. You want to make sure the leaves are nice and dry when you apply the frost cover. If you apply it too late, the leaves might gather enough moisture on it. Even with the frost cover, it might possibly still freeze, and you want to prevent that. So there's two types of frost covers you can get. I'll show you in a bit, but I'm using the green one right now. There's a green and white one. This green one is for frost and heat. You can get the white one, which is only for frost, but what I did notice is the white one at the end of the season deteriorates. So unless you pack it up before the sun hits, if you just leave it out, the white one will deteriorate once it's been exposed to enough sunlight. These green ones, because they're also for sun, I guess it's just the material, it's tougher, whatever it's in it. This can last you a while. You can just leave it out like this. It won't deteriorate so fast. And here we are at Bunnings. I did my morning walk just to get this footage. Anyway, here's the two types of frost covers you can use for your plants. So the frost cloth is only for frost. This is the one I've used in the past, and it deteriorates pretty much at the end of the season. But this one says UV stabilized, so maybe this is an upgraded version of it. But anyway, if you spend an extra $3 for a smaller green one, it won't deteriorate so fast. This one is called a thermal cover. It is a frost and heat blanket, so you can use it in winter or you can use it in summer. This one you can leave out, it won't break down so easily, so that's what I use pretty much. This is what I like to do anyway, just leave it out when I have a few days of frost. Apply it, take it down, apply it, and then once there's no frost coming, you can just put it away. So I'll show you how I set up the frost covers at the end, but here's one bed. Oh, almost fell. The second bed, the pots in the middle, and this potato in this pot here. So you do want to create kind of like a little house system to capture all the heat. So I have the sticks aligned, and that's where the frost cover is going to be going. If your potatoes are in pots and are not in the ground, you can just move them under the shed. So I'm going to have these here for a few days, and once there's no more frost on the weather app, I will put these back out. Alright, the sun is down, so let's set this up. It's still bright. It's like 4:30. Alright, the plants are looking nice and snug all inside. Now we just have to close this end off. And we are done with the first one. And here is what it looks like. And let's finish off the rest. And we are all done. Everything is protected from the frost, and yeah. Oh, I might have to put something there. There's a hole there. And that is it. We'll check by tomorrow and see how they do. It is the next day, so let us check on the potatoes. And my potatoes are free from frost damage. All the leaves are intact and ready for another day. and we won't be having any frost for the next couple of weeks, so I'm just gonna leave these as it is here, prepared for when the frost comes once again. But yeah, that's basically what I do every year in winter. I always have a frost cover for my potatoes. So if it only frosts for a few days or even for the whole of winter, you just have to keep applying this over your frost sensitive crops. And is it worth it buying, some frost blankets or frost covers for a few days of frost? And it is. The frost would have killed these already. They would have gone back, but not in the optimal condition. But thanks to the frost covers, these guys are undamaged and give me the best yield that they can produce. Anyway, I hope that video helped you out a little bit on protecting your plants against frost. Anyways, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. The heck? Oh my god. Bruh, what is this? It's sprouting? Oh, it is sprouting.